Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then launch the Google application. Right there on the down right corner, tap to the more icon and go into the settings. Here you'll see the voice section, tap there and go to the voice match. Here, as can you see, we got the Hey Google switcher. Now this option is activated. It's just to turn it off, tap here once on the switcher and confirm by tap to OK. And that's it. That's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.